Brother, a young gynec in training, if he or she has to abort a child for a live experiment, so is he or she permitted? And in some part of a village where there is no female doctor as a gynec, so can the woman go to him for a medical checkup at the time of the delivery? Thank you.
Well, there's two questions. That is it permitted if a person who's studying medicine, MBBS or gynecology, is he allowed to abort as part of his studies? Can he abort since abortion is haram in Islam? And the second part is that if in a village there is no female doctor, can a female go to a male gynecologist or a male doctor for the delivery? As far as the first part of the question is concerned, even I have done my medical MBBS. So what we have to be careful that under normal circumstances, according to Islamic Sharia, abortion is prohibited if it's for family planning reasons or for personal reasons. But if it's a question of life and death, if the mother's life is in danger, that if the pregnancy continues, and if the mother's life is in danger, then abortion is permitted. For example, if a mother had multiple cesarean section, 3 or 4, and the next delivery or the next conception of pregnancy will be detrimental to her life, then in Islam it's allowed that she can abort. Or if she has any heart disease or a heart problem, where the continuation of the pregnancy will be dangerous to her life, then the Islamic Sharia says, let a small loss take place to prevent a bigger loss. So the life of the mother is more important. So in these circumstances, abortion is permitted. So if it's compulsory, where we have that minimum so many abortions a person should do, or so many deliveries, it is more for delivery rather than abortion, but on a higher level, abortion is also required. So what I would do, that I would see case-wise, I would speak to my superior and tell that, fine, give me those cases in which Sharia permits. Because if the abortion is related to the health of the mother, that she has heart disease, therefore the abortion is being done, or because she has multiple cesarean section, not only for personal reasons. So I would select such cases and request my superior that please allow me to abort these cases, and it's possible. Only thing, if there's a will, there's a way. As far as the second part of the question is concerned, that normally for hijab reasons, it's preferable that a female goes to a female